Today's project, I'm going to tackle putting a new pull cord on my leaf blower. Let's get started. Looks like there's only 4 bolts and they're T25s. I've never had this one apart, so I'm not really sure what to expect here. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, looks pretty simple. Alright, I'm gonna leave this intact. I'm just gonna unwind the cord. I'm gonna use my skinny needle nose and I'm just gonna pull it out of there. I'm gonna run to the hardware store and pick up some new cord. See you when I get back. I just got back from the hardware store and I picked up what I needed, which is 1/8 inch braided nylon cord. There are kits available on Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link down below. I almost bought one, but I really want to finish my project today. To get the length that I need of the new cord, I'm going to measure the old cord. I cut it a little long, just in case. I'm going to use this piece of wire and I'm going to pull the cord through and tie a knot. Now I'll get the rope out of the pull handle. I'm not sure my knot's gonna look that pretty. Now I'm gonna wrap this around counterclockwise because when I unraveled it, it was clockwise. Now it's time for me to try to make that beautiful knot. Now I'm going to melt the nylon. Before I put this back on the blower, I'm curious, would you have taken that nut off to take the spool out? I didn't because I know there's a spring in there. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video for repairing this pull cord, check out this video for how I repaired this platen on this mouse sander. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you watch again.